It's always a good idea to keep your head about you, and also, when you get any time off, have a walk around your local area, because you never know what you're going to find. Let's have a little look over here. I've just been dropping Mrs. Pirate off at an undisclosed location, and oh look, a free telly. I'll be having that, thanks. Right, I'll have to turn this off, but I'm snuffling that, and we'll kill it later on. Ho ho ho! More drops than Santa. So first thing we do is like plug it in, see if it's worth keeping. On a serious note, never ever plug these in. So we've got a TV video combo, or TV video combo, and let's get the multi-tool and just get it sorted. That's got the copper cord with the brass fitments on the end. Sorry, Kia and Julie and little sister Tane. TV go bye bye now. God damn it! I set it to dismantle. Oh well, let's use the multi-tool instead. Come on, baby. Until I get them screws out. Right, if we can go and find that bloody stand, you'll be able to watch me do it. If not, I'll have to prop this up somewhere. Hey ho. I need gloves. Oh, there we go. Well, I've seen me do this a million times, but at the end of the day, this is a TV video combination. Maybe we'll get some points for that, I don't know. Oh, there appears to be more than just 2 screws. Just there. Extra screw. Not anymore? Feet on the other side. Oh dear. Don't want to bust it on. Handy bin for all your plastic. So your handy dandy bin for your plastic. You've got your degaussing wire, which I would definitely strip because it's well worth it. Vacuum. Got your yoke, which is lots of copper. You'll get this kind of crap on it as well, unfortunately. That's like number 2 it makes it. But more you can smash off it the cleaner you can get. Great big aluminium heat sinks. Copper bearing stuff in there. Bugger all in that vacuum thing. More aluminium. And of course you've got the VCR underneath. This, as you know, in there, you see the big stainless steel drum, and there's a couple of little motors and stuff like that, but not a whole heap. There you go. Sometimes these are gold plated, but not in that case. Okay, so let's pull it apart. So all you do with this is just unhook it. Now just be careful not to touch anything that may still be live, because you don't know how long this has been sitting. There is a way of getting this up without cracking that, but it's going to rain, it's not going to be as quick as just doing this. There you go. That was as quick as that. it with that. Now some people do weigh this ferrocite stuff here. But I've got a far place to take it, so. That might just be worth. It's all pretty good carbon, but it might just be worth giving a whack out here. This sort of crap stays out here, we don't want it inside. Don't want the glass, it's the gloves. Down. I'm just going to pull these plugs out. These are probably copper, so I'm going to snip them off the plastic. I guess we'll keep that bit. Keep that. Take the board as is. Once we pull these little plugs out. So I was doing what they do. Keep the board for now because we want this, and those. That can be done inside if we need roaring fire. Getting a prize of the stainless steel and what else you can carry. But a lot of this wiring is actually steel. That's all glass, you don't need that. Mind yourself on that. That's illegal. Again, steel. It's pretty damn cheap TV. Anyway, you can get in while I'm doing this one, and it's just the other side of the hole. The whole thing just slide out, and you've got it. You basically just want to take that board in and disassemble it inside. Okay, it's starting to rain, so I have to be quick here. Multi-tool strikes again. There we go. We're free. So, keep that wire. Keep that wire. So, you don't want this vacuum wire. Get rid. Piece of steel, but I can take this unit inside and strip it at leisure. Okay, so this is our keep pile. We got copper wire, PCR basically to scrap. Put stuff on there. Yoke even, not Yodel. That's a delivery company. And the decowsing wire. The rest, sweep up, put in there. Any other odds and ends you find, put in there. Keep Britain tidy, etc. Bin. Not a lot more I can do. Anyway, see you in a bit. Bye.